Get it, focus. Good job again. Focus, focus, focus. Good. Third. Wait. That's good. Focus. Good job, Skid. That was good. Seduto. Good. Got him? Signora. That dog doesn't matter. Get it? Looks like they're setting up still. I don't know. Got him? Good job. Oh, the election signs. We cannot get away from that fiddle play everywhere we go. We don't like that fiddle play. Signora. Hello. Focus. Focus. No, this way. This way. No, back. Good. Got him? Good job. Oh wow. There's all the pigs. Yeah. Seduto. Good job.
Hello, Skidboot, you working, buddy?
Yeah.
Good job. You're doing great. Sure. How old is he now?
He's at working dog. He's allowed to.
How old is he now?
3.
3?
He just turned 3.
Good for him.
Stay. Got him? Good job. Hello. Okay, I'm Phyllis. Hi. Yeah. With the scarecrows? Yeah. Turn around. Oh, it's okay. Turn around. This way. Turn around. Turn around. All the way. Seduto. Oh, good boy. Stay. Very good. Let's go this way. That's very good. Got it? Yes, sugar.
Hey, how's it going?
Can you?
Good, thanks.
Good.
You want to play some games? I remember that dog.
Yeah? I don't know. I don't really like
The tape came off! The tape came off!
No!
All the tape came off! Oh my god. Why?
The soccer game I'll play.
You want to play soccer ball?
Sure. What do you know much is done? Oh, really?
Yeah. How you pull a sucker.
Okay.
If it has a little dot on the bottom of it, you get a prize.
On the bottom of the stick, yeah.
And how do I get the soccer?
You just pull it.
Oh. Look at me. Oh.
And
There's
then
a dog,
if it
you're
doesn't have a little
distracted.
dot on the bottom of it, you just get to keep the sucker.
Okay.
Yeah, so you
I
just
like
get a
suckers.
sucker either way.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pick a blue sucker. I don't know what taste are they. Are they different tastes?
Blueberry?
Okay.
Blue
And that one is raspberry or what?
I
I
think
think
so.
so.
The
and-
pink one's like strawberry, right?
Yeah.
And the brown ones are chocolate.
I don't know.
Oh,
Maybe
they
it
all
says
sound
the-
good.
Maybe it is.
They're all really good. They have like little gum in the middle of them.
Oh, it even says on it raspberry.
I don't
Can't
know
read
what
it.
says that.
Yeah, it says, I'll take the raspberry one. And I have a blue dot.
Yay.
Oh, I'm a winner.
And now you gotta read books.
Thank you.
Yay.
We won. We're big time winners.
Yeah.
There we go. We'll eat that later. Keep that for the drive home. So who are you going? Well, thank you.
Thank you for playing.
You don't get one. Sorry, buddy. Gotta focus, please. Señora.
No, come here. Oh? How many is one?
Okay.
Everyone.
Everyone?
Focus on me, please. Boy. No. Focus. Ricardo. Ricardo. Look at me. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Seduto. I thought dogs aren't allowed on here.
Yeah, I don't think they are normally, but they apparently today they make an exception.
Oh, really?
Exception.
No. I
yeah,
prefer
most people
non-pet friendly outings. They don't run into this.
Fast. Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. He's doing pretty good, yeah.
Whoa! Pretty good.
No, because I walked in there and one of the girls like, dogs are not allowed. I'm like, well, actually he is. But I didn't think any other dogs would be allowed.
Yeah. Maybe they're just not listening to the rules. But I've seen a couple of dogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Well,
and I
that's
had
good to know.
one person who had two.
Huh?
There's one person who had two.
Oh, yeah.
And that's the kind of dog you probably don't want because he is the most bundle of joy. I sat there and petted him.
Oh, yeah, he's cute, but... Yeah, right. Most of the time. He has his moments. Oh, this is cute. What are you seeing? Can you sit, please? Thank you. That's very cute.
What piece do you have?
All right, you guys. Have a good rest of the day. See ya. Get it? Focus. Oh, we're going this way. This way. You focus,
I
please?
made a label with the shark.
Yes.
But it all faded.
That's better.
So it's like, I know it's a radish,
Hello.
but I don't know which kind it is.
You know what? I have a hard time too now. Pete tells me that he uses the Sharpie and it doesn't. It fades. Like, hi.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
Good.
I know mine.
Right.
Jackson, did you see Finley yet?
Sit it.
Yeah.
Did you? Oh, okay.
Well, maybe they're good.
Mountain.
There we go. I'm not sharing today.
Thank you, guys. Yeah. Have a good rest of the day.
Yeah, you too. Jackson, there was a wasp on there. Careful.
Okay. Good boy.
You gotta look before you eat it, okay?
No eating wasps.
Yeah, no eating wasps, that's for sure.
See ya. Thank you. Let's go this way. I'm just going to go back. And then we'll go get food maybe and do a running around, okay? Focus. Push up. Very good.
Yeah, I saw your scarecrow.
Hi, good you. Focus. Let's go. Yeah, we're getting a little too rushy here. Wait. This way. Good job. Let's go in here for a minute. I think the meter is actually closed. So we'll go to the alcohol after. Slow down. Good. Slow. Señora, got it? Got it? Good. Good job. What are they doing? Look, what are they doing? They're gonna have to hit the bottles here.
Ready?
Huh?
Here.
Good boy. Good boy. Got it? Good job. boy. Vänta. Of horses. No, we can let the mask go. No, leave it. Good. Just a minute, I gotta get my mask. Signora. 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 Hey, focus.
You're a pretty outfitted little doggy.
Thank you. Good job. Let's go in one more time.
I should have put on
What's that?
I pet boots.
Don't go so close to the cakes, buddy.
I pet boots.
No, don't pet him. Thank you. Skidboot. Yeah? Let's go look. Good job. Let's go. Let's go. No, can you slow down? Focus. You still going here? I don't know. Yeah. Good boy. Guardo. This way. Focus. No, this way.
I got it.
You go. Let's go see if we won the cake. Well, I guess we have to finish this, but maybe we won the bit. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm okay. Hello.
Kids don't like chili, they like hot dogs.
It's like chili pizza. Oh, are they announcing winners?
People are starting to wrestle over it.
Oh, yeah. He is loud. You don't like that. He's a okay. He's just a little loud. You're doing good. You're doing good. Cookie? Oh, good boy. Almost like the end of our job.
I was the guard. She's not here. So that was this